Hey beautiful people, how y'all doing? Hope you're having a good day. Good day, good Saturday, good day to be alive, man. Thank God, man, I'm alive. Yeah, so we here now with another video. I didn't upload any car videos because I was in Canada. I did a vlog, y'all can check it out. It's already on the page posted. And now, we're about to get back to the car. Yeah! So, this time, I'll be uploading some front end parts, as you can see. I showed in the previous episode. So got some new parts here that I'm about to install. So we gonna get it. We gonna get it. I just got a fresh cut. Look at me. Look at me. Yeah. Look at me. Look at me. Yeah. Look at me. Look at me. Yeah. Let go. Yup. So let me show you what I got. Let me show you what I got. We got the lovely drill and slotted. Yeah, yeah. Lovely drill and slotted. The drill and slotted got the black ones. Cotter pins for the ball joints because I'm changing out the ball joints also. Steering knuckle right here. New little ball joint. Yep. I'll be changing those out as well. Already did that on the upper. Yeah. On the other side, got my axle right here. About to change the axle as I showed in the previous video. One of those! Don't do that. So we're about to change that axle. And got some new brake pads. Where did I put those brake pads? Where did I put them? Those ones on the side. Got new brake pads right there. And about to install the other upper ball joint. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do right now. Install this. So let go. Yup. So all the bolts that I got, they got like a lock washer that's put on first, and then I put a flat washer on it. So 4 bolts, because this is like, I got a camber kit on the car, so it's not a regular control arm and stuff. So that's what I'm doing right now, setting up all these bolts, 4 of them. After I use the drill, then I want to make sure they're tight, so put some more in them with the Allen key. Be safe, guys. Yep, should be good. These should be good. It's good. Yep, so right now I'm about to put the steering knuckle in. Hope y'all see me well. Line up the axle. Make sure the axle is pushed in properly. That's it, there you go. So now I'm putting some bolts on. I screwed them on earlier. And you gotta make sure you tighten them to the right torque spec so the cotter pin can fall through and lock these bolts in place so they don't move. So there's one thing I had to have in my garage. This is a must, brother, for me, because this is something y'all probably didn't know. Well, a few of y'all know. I used to fix helicopters, so I'm a big guy on torque. So I got my little guide right here with all my torque specs. So that's what I'm gonna do. Look my torque specs up. Let's get torquing. told you I use my guide, man. Double check. 97. Supposed to be tight enough now. There you go. There's the click. That's what I've been waiting on. Don't play with me. And for the book, I'll be doing this, run through this, but I'm just showing you all the proper way to do it. Do your torque specs, guys. You can eyeball it all you want, pinball, whatever you call it, but I like using my torque specs. But there you go. And the upper ball joint is to 29 to 35. Me, I'm going 35. So I'll be back. I'm gonna just tighten up and I'll be back. Show y'all when it's done. All I'm doing is tighten the bolts. So doing the installation, and I just remembered one thing. I have no rotor screws. So I'm gonna run to the parts store, get some rotor screws, and then we just finish up the process. Look how clean that is, boy. Look how clean. Oh my God. Be right back, I'm gonna run to the parts store. Yeah. So just came from the parts store, got the screws. So I'm about to install these things. I don't even know what size it is, man. I bought a bunch of them. So, but I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna figure it out. Get off. Urgh. Things that give you trouble, man. The things that give you trouble. Yeah, so here we are. Got it done. Upper ball joint, cotter pin in. Don't forget your cotter pin, guys. And the right down here, you can see it. Cotter pin in, the tie rod. Lower ball joint. There we go, cotter pin in. Yup, put the caliper on. Got my stuff. I use this tool to push the piston in on the caliper. Worked perfectly, no issues. Yup, so I'm done with this side. So it'll be the same thing on the other side. So I'm not gonna show that because it's the same thing. I don't want to be repetitive. So that's the end of the video. Thank you all for watching. It'll get more exciting and exciting. I promise you, it will. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit that like button, and we out.
Bye for me.